Hello, Namaste, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the live market of gold, commodity gold and it's mega gold. And you can see currently the market value is 51,774 and you are watching our running version 8.1, and with this 8.1 we have a scanner 1.2 version. And this is the this green up arrow is the buy signal and the red down arrow is the sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generate a buy or sell signal, the same time there is an alert, there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with a sound effect. So in that alert message you will get the entry point, and the same details you can check here also in the above dashboard also it will display. We got a buy signal at today we only got a one signal, that is buy signal, and this still is continuing, and this buy we got at 51,612 and the time is 11:50 in today's date, and as per current market rate we are in profit of 158, and in the status you can check it, one target has been achieved, first target has been achieved. So before taking the position, if you software gives signals, before taking the position you have to check the confirmation of the signal. If the signal is confirmed, then it gives 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. So we have to avoid the risk. So that's why we have to check the confirmation of the given signal. If software gives signals, so we have to check the confirmation. So if you check with before entering the market, you have to check the confirmation. If the signal is confirmed, then definitely it gives 80 to 90% accuracy, and we can minimize the risk, and we can get the maximum profit. So confirmation, checking the confirmation is very easy and simple. First you have to wait for the signal to come. If the buy signal is active, the first confirmation you have to check here, the price in buy zone, that is the first and main confirmation. First the arrow will come if the buy signal is active, the price in buy zone, that is the first confirmation, and the second confirmation below the arrow you can see there is a small bar is here, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. So in some rare cases we will not get the confirmation at the same time. So in this case you can see we got a signal here, and that time it was not confirmed because the sideways indication was there, that's why it's not giving confirmation. Sideways means no, you just check the candle colors. Normal candle colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors you can see some different colors, multi colors are forming now, like orange colors, white candles, MD candles, light blue. These are the this multicolors candle will form. So these are the indication of sideways, means orange, light blue, white and MD candle. So these are the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So that time the sideways indications was there, that's why it's not give a confirmation. So we got a confirmation at this level, so we can enter with that level. So we got a confirmation around that time the market value opening is around 51,606. So that time we can enter with that level. That level we got a confirmation. Confirmation means on below bottom bar converted to green color and the price in buy zone. That is the only confirmation. So you have to check the confirmation. Mostly you have to check the two confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, then only we can take the position. So once you enter in the market now, on below you can see the stop loss. There is a trading stop loss. Why we are following trading stop loss is to reduce the risk, and that's why we are using this trading stop loss. On the right hand side of the left side of this trading stop loss you can see the three target also, target 1, target 2 and target 3. There are three targets. For example, if we enter in the market after checking the confirmation and we exit with our target, after we exit from the market, if the market is trendy market, then the trend will continue. If the trend is continuing, then the signal also will continue, the same signal will continue. So that time software gives a opportunity to re-enter in the market, means it's a re-entry suggestion. Software gives a re-entry suggestion. Re-entry means software gives a new entry point and a new target. As per that it gives an exit point also. In this level you can see right now the re-entry suggestion is showing wait only. So if the software gives a re-entry option, then that time software here in this place software it will display a entry point and a target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. And you can see these red stars are here now, that is a resistance level of the market, and on below you can see blue now, that is a support level of the market. So in this software you get the you can check the resistance support level also, and our software gives automatic signals, stop loss, target, and you will get you can check the if the market is sideways, then also that will also display in the chart, and the resistance support also will be there, and re-entry suggestion will also display. And the same strategy can apply for all segment, like if it is MCX, NSE cash future options, currencies, agri, COMEX, forex, our software support all major financial market, and you can use it for scalping trading, intraday, long term, short term position trading also. And this software we are marketed from 2009, and we are updating the version also. So currently the running version is 8.1, and with that we have a scanner 1.2, and soon we will release our 10th version, and with that also we'll get our new scanner, that is our scanner 1.3, and we are charging only one-time payment. Updations are free for our customers, and normal processes, if you are interested to purchase the software, after making the payment, our technical person will directly log into your system through that desktop sharing software like 𝐷eamweaver, and we directly install the software. It will take 10 minutes, and you will get a training section also, means how to use the software, how to set the chart setting, etc. will give you a training section. And after that, if there is any doubt, or if you need any technical support, you can directly contact me. And right now you are watching a live demo, and if you are interested to check the live demonstration, you can in any segment you can contact me. My name is Ganga, and my number is 9061973737. In this I have WhatsApp in this number also, official WhatsApp, and in the bottom number is also same, and www.wintradersoft.com, that is our official website. In that there is a review pages there, don't forget to check our reviews page. And thank you for watching my video.